And first we will go for a 2 minutes meditation. So let us experience the power of silence. Thank you.
Om Shanti. Sit for a while in silence. Try to observe your thoughts. Maybe your thoughts are wandering here and there. Don't try to control or suppress your thoughts. Leave it as they are. And let them go. Feel that all unwanted and base thoughts are going away from me. Now, think that I am a peaceful energy. I am peace. The vibrations of peace from me. I can feel that vibrations. Om Shanti. Meditation. Meditation itself means, the word meditation is derived from the Latin word medere. The word medere means to heal. We are using medicines to heal our body. It's called medication. And meditation means healing our mind, the wounds in our mind. So meditation is very much necessary to heal our mind, especially Raj Yoga meditation. What's Raj Yoga meditation? Yoga means union, connection. We have the connection to somebody else. We are remembering somebody. We have the relationship. We are remembering all of them. But it's not the Raj Yoga. We are doing yoga, connection, relationship, union. But Raj Yoga means it's the connection with Supreme. We are connecting the self with the Supreme Being, God. Raja means, Raj Yoga, the word Raja means king, the king. So first we have to become self-sovereign. The king of, the master of our sense organs, the master of our thoughts, the master of our mind, the master of our intellect, and the master of our sanskar, the nature. So, when we do Raja Yoga meditation, it helps us to master all our sense organs and our nature. It is not good for me and for others. That's we can master, we can victory over the anger, fear, greed, irritation, aggression, arrogant nature, ये सब हम निकाल सकते हैं हमारे से. We become Raja, the ruler. First we have to understand that we are not the thought. If you have to become the ruler of our thought, our mind, our sanskar, we have to first understand that we are not the thought. We are the creator of our own thoughts. We can create our thoughts, we can direct our thoughts, we can use our mind power in which direction we want to use it. So, first we have to understand that मैं थॉट नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं अपने विचारों का रचयिता है. तो अपने संकल्पों को जिस डायरेक्शन में ले जाना चाहते हैं, उस डायरेक्शन में ले जा सकते हैं. So in Raja Yoga meditation, we are directing our thought. We become aware of our thought. First, we have to become aware of our thoughts. Where it is going? मेरा विचार कहाँ चल रहे हैं? Be aware. For doing meditation, first we have to aware of our thought. For that, in the life journey, in one day, pause for a while, infrequent times, and aware that where our thoughts are going. मेरा विचार कहाँ चल रहे हैं, उसको थोड़ा पॉज करके देखिए, क्योंकि सारा दिन ये प्ले मोड में है, ऑटोमेटिक मोड में है. उसको थोड़े समय के लिए 1 मिनट या 30 सेकेंड्स के लिए जस्ट पॉज एंड चेक वो कहाँ चल रहे हैं, मेरा थॉट्स कहाँ जा रहे हैं, और उसको बहुत प्यार से अपने आप में ले आना चाहिए. और एक थॉट, मैं एक प्योर पॉजिटिव बीइंग, आई एम ए प्योर पॉजिटिव बीइंग. तो एक्सटर्नल सर्कमस्टेंसेस, सिचुएशंस, जो भी कार्य है, सब में से अपने विचारों को थोड़े समय के लिए निकाल करके अपने आप में वो स्थित करना चाहिए. दूसरा है, तो एक है बीच बीच में रुक करके देखना पड़ेगा, अपने संकल्पों को देखना पड़ेगा और अवेयर होना पड़ेगा, और उसको वापस अपने ओरिजिनल क्वालिटी में ले आना पड़ेगा राज योगा मेडिटेशन के लिए. और फिर है हम किस लिए ये मेडिटेशन करते हैं, क्या बेनिफिट है, ये करने से क्या फायदा है, मेडिटेशन करने से क्या फायदा है. हमारा जो ओरिजिनल क्वालिटी है, पीस, लव, प्योरिटी, स्ट्रेंथ, पावर, ये सब वापस आ जाए, क्योंकि ये हमारे ये ही है मैं ये क्वालिटीज है. तो इसको वापस नहीं लाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये मैं हूँ इसमें स्थित कर सकते हैं। हम बीच बीच में ये करने से, मेडिटेशन करने से अपनी जो ओरिजिनल क्वालिटीज है इसमें स्थित कर सकते हैं अपने मन बुद्धि को. നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിനെ ബുദ്ധിയെ നമുക്ക് ആ ഒറിജിനൽ ക്വാളിറ്റീസിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതിലൂടെ. അപ്പൊ മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വേറൊന്നുമല്ല, നമ്മുടെ ചിന്തകളെ കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ ബോധവാന്മാരായി അതിലേക്ക് ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നതിനെയാണ് ഈ പറയുന്നത്. കാരണം മനസ്സിനെ നമുക്ക് ഹീൽ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ. ചിന്തകൾ കാരണം മനസ്സിനുണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്ന മുറിവുകളെ നമുക്ക് ഉണക്കണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന് വേണ്ട മെഡിസിൻ കൊടുക്കണം, നല്ല ചിന്തകൾ കൊടുക്കണം. जैसे शरीर पर कुछ वुंड होता है तो हम बार बार वो इलाज करते हैं ना, उसमें जो मेडिसिन डालते हैं, वैसे ही अपने मन में जो वुंड हुआ है उसको बीच बीच में क्या करना है, वो इलाज करना है. वो इलाज क्या है? मेडिटेशन. सो मेडिटेशन सिंपली मीन्स पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. अपने ओरिजिनल क्वालिटीज के बारे में हमें थिंक करना है, वो विचार करना है. और योगा मीन्स कनेक्शन. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कनेक्ट ourselves. In Raja Yoga meditation, it's a journey, it's an inward journey. Connect with yourself, connection with yourself. मुझे अपने से वो कनेक्शन जोड़ना है. अभी तो हम क्या करते हैं, हमारा सारा विचार बाहर है, बाहर की जो चीजें हैं, जो कार्य है उसमें व्यस्त है. इसके वे मेरे मन इधर उधर भटकते रहते हैं. तो अपने विचारों को क्या करना है, पहले समेटना है, पैकअप करना है. और इट्स एन इनवर्ड जर्नी. राजयोगा मेडिटेशन इट्स एन इनवर्ड जर्नी. देयर इज अ ट्रेमेंडस स्पेस इनसाइड अस. आपको पता है, आपको पता है कि आपके अंदर इतना स्पेस है. हम तो शांति के लिए या खुशी के लिए बाहर ढूंढते रहते हैं, लेकिन हमारे अंदर इतनी वो स्पेस है, वो स्पेस इतना विशाल है, उसमें हम जाएंगे तो वो अनुभव कर सकते हैं. तो जब भी टाइम मिले जाओ अपने अंदर. मैं तो भी बीच बीच में वो करती रहती हूँ कि अपने अंदर जाती रहती हूँ और हमारे अंदर के जो स्पेस है उसमें एंजॉय करती रहती हूँ. बहुत खुशी हमको मिलती है ऐसे करते रहने से. तो वो इनवर्ड जर्नी है और ये अपवर्ड जर्नी भी है. जब हम अपने अंदर जाते हैं तो फिर हमें साइलेंस में स्थित कर सकते हैं और हम ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं. वो अपवर्ड जर्नी है, स्वीट साइलेंस में भी जा सकते हैं. तो इनवर्ड जर्नी, देन अपवर्ड जर्नी. और अपने मन को वहां स्थित करना है जहां द सोर्स ऑफ पावर, प्योरिटी, खुशी, ये सब कुछ है. वो है the supreme power, God. So Raja Yoga itself means communion with God. ईश्वर के साथ, वो सुप्रीम पावर के साथ अपना संबंध जोड़ना. मेडिटेशन वो सिंपली पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग है, लेकिन राजयोगा मेडिटेशन वो परम शक्ति के साथ अपना संबंध जोड़ना है. तो वो संबंध जोड़ने से उनमें से जो शक्ति हमारे में अंदर आ जाएंगे, उसे हम जो भी कार्य कर सकते हैं, हम बहुत फ्रेश होंगे सारा टाइम. तो बीच बीच में भी करते रहने से कितनी शक्ति हमारे में आ जाएगी. सो वो परम शक्ति, वो सर्व गुणों व शक्ति का सागर है, सोर्स है। अपने मन बुद्धि को कनेक्ट करो 1 सेकंड के लिए। मैं भी पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट और वो भी पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट है, लेकिन वो गुणों का सागर है। उनके बारे में सोचो कि वो पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट, वो शांति का सागर है। ऐसे सोचने से भी वो शांति का अनुभव हमको होगा, क्योंकि माइंड पावर से ही कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना, अपने विचारों से ही कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना। जो हम सोचेंगे वो हम बन जाएंगे। तो हम शांति के सागर के बारे में सोचेंगे तो वो शांति हमारे अंदर भी आ जाएगी। तो कितने भी बिजी हो, बीच बीच में 1 सेकंड के लिए एंड अ लाइट, पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट, और वो भी एक पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट है। उनमें से शक्ति मुझ में आ रही है, ऐसे सोचना है। तो राजयोगा मेडिटेशन करने से हमें अपने नेचर, जो संस्कार है, जो हमें तंग करते रहते हैं, जो संस्कार, जो नेचर हमें डिस्टर्ब करते रहते हैं, क्रोध या अग्रेशन या फियर, कुछ भी हो, वो हम चेंज कर सकते हैं और खुशी, प्यार हमारे में भर जाए। तो वो उससे तो क्या होगा, मुझे अपने में भी वो संतुष्टता आ जाएगी और दूसरों को भी संतुष्ट करा सकते हैं। तो हमारा रिलेशनशिप कैसे होगा, वो थॉट एनर्जी ऐसे हम ट्रांसफर करने से हमारा रिलेशनशिप कैसे होगा। तो राजयोगा मेडिटेशन करने से हमारा संबंध भी, रिलेशनशिप भी बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि सबसे पहले मैं अपने आप से जो संबंध है वो जुड़ते हैं और परमात्मा से कनेक्शन जुड़ते हैं, और उससे तो हमारे में जो चेंजेस आ जाते हैं, जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ जाते हैं, उससे हमारा जो रिलेशनशिप भी बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है। ओम शांति।
Good morning to all of you. First of all, let me apologize for slight delay in starting the program. There are some logistics, small issues. Anyway, it is getting started now. I hope everybody is comfortable. It's okay? Fine? Okay. So today's, how many of you attended last time? Any? Oh, quite good number is there. Very good. Okay, so others are, I assume, first time coming for this program? First time. Very good. How many of you have been exposed to meditation so far? Oh, very good. You all been exposed to meditation. Acha. So, I would like to know, in that case, what's your understanding about meditation actually? So brother says meditation is knowing yourself, and the thoughts come from inside is getting into action actually. Okay, anybody else? Because you are all, most of them are meditating. So,
Om Shanti. Meditation is to strengthen the inner power within us. We have to get connected to the Supreme and to get to receive energy.
Good. He used many new terms. He said something to connect it to Supreme. How many of you know who is Supreme? Some of you know, some of you may not know. Correct. But anyway, his definition is how to get the inner power actually. Anybody else? One more? Because when you are doing a meditation, you should know first what is meditation according to you and what for you are doing the meditation. The purpose should be clear, right? It's not that everybody says it is good, so I am doing meditation. Is it the way we want to do meditation? Or we want to understand what is meditation, then understand the benefits of meditation, then choose which meditation is best among that, and then practice that. Correct? Because there are many varieties of meditations are there today actually. Which one to choose? Right? We don't know. Right? So let us see. So meditation, basically people meditate for all sorts of reasons. Right? So it could be to relax, to calm down sometimes, right? Or it is to relieve stress. Stress is a very common jargon being used nowadays as per the current professional side what people are working industry where it is there. Stress is a very common jargon, not only for adults, even for children also actually. I was surprised to hear a first standard, second standard boys telling I am stressed. So the stress becomes so common word being used, and it's also meditation is used to improve some relationships. How? Basically, whatever you are having it difficult to maintain a relationship because of certain differences existing between the individuals, meditation helps you to let go those differences, so that you can able to build up those relationships which you find otherwise difficult to do in the normal circumstances. It's one of the very beautiful advantage. Right? And it makes you to understand yourself, your potentials. Right? And it is also finding the meaning and purpose of life and awakens the spirit within you. By definition, every one of us are a spirit. Spirit means nothing but an energy, and non-destroyable energy, what we call as an eternal element, right? We are all basically an eternal element. How many of you know this? Or is it a new definition you are hearing actually? Anybody feels it is a new definition? Do you know that we are all basically an eternal energy? But owning this destroyable body actually, to perform certain roles, certain functions, whatever we want to perform it, you need some instrument to perform. This body is nothing but our instrument. I am an eternal energy. That's what is being defined as I am a soul. The soul is nothing but a metaphysical entity. It is a metaphysical entity, that's why it is invisible to our eyes, whereas it can perform whatever role it has to perform it. This is a core definition of a self, and meditation helps you to understand about ourselves more and more clearly actually, and makes you to explore our potential in a much more better way. And in psychological terms, if you want to understand, meditation helps you to connect the conscious mind to the subconscious mind actually. Clear? So it's very, very important to understand what I am trying to do in the meditation, so that it's time to meditate becomes meaningful for us actually. Correct? So meditation is an effective way to experience a sense of peace and sense of well-being actually. Right? A feeling of healthiness, feeling of peace, you can experience if you understand how to do the meditation properly actually. Because many times I used to hear, I'm sitting in meditation, half an hour also I can sit, but I'm not able to concentrate. My thoughts are moving here and there, right? I'm trying to focus, but then within few minutes I'm taken away from somebody else actually. Why all these things are happening and why we are not able to meditate, we are going to see going forward, right? Basically, if you are really doing meditation, you should be experiencing some kind of the qualities which you like it actually. If you like peace, you have to experience that. If you like love, you should experience that. If you like happiness, you should be experiencing that actually. That means you are really doing the meditation. Otherwise, you are only trying to do the meditation, but not doing the meditation actually. There are a lot of differences. Trying and then doing actually. Right? So meditation is another interesting thing is it's like a journey. It's like a journey, continuous journey where we can experience it actually. Every meditation will give a kind of an experience to you. That's why you become stronger, richer and powerful as you do meditation more and more. That's why meditation is also getting recommended nowadays by many of them, including doctors. Doctors, when they want to give medicine, along with that nowadays they are recommending meditation. In our centers in Bangalore, I used to see many people coming to take a course because doctor recommended me to take this course. So I asked you, what is your problem? My problem is some back pain. My problem is a lot of stress, lot of strain, and doctor gives me medicine, but he says this medicine will work only when you do meditation actually. So nowadays the meditation becomes part of our medicine also now actually. Okay. So let us see what is meditation that means. We all understood from our own understanding about creating inner energy or making your inner thoughts to come out, etc., etc. Right? So let us see what kind of real definition for meditation which can be applied. See, it's a practice of, the letters are small, sometimes unable to read. We are soon getting a projector to put in the big screen. Bear with us. Meditation is a practice of being still, removing your attention from the world around you and focusing your mind to restore peace. Focusing your mind to restore peace actually. Okay? So, it is giving your mind something positive to concentrate, which is very, very important actually. Makes your mind to give something positive to concentrate and also leading to a positive experience. The positive experience could be a peaceful experience, a loveful experience, a joyful experience, whatever it is actually. It all depends on with what aim and objective I am sitting in the meditation actually. Right? My aim and objective is to get rid of from my current stress, free from current stress, then you will be thinking about the opposite quality which is giving you that strength. Like I am stressed means you are going to think about I am peaceful actually. So what happened is that peaceful energy is getting inculcated during this process of meditation and you feel that joy you are experiencing it actually. And it enables you to connect with your inner peace. This is very important actually. This is equivalent to connecting the conscious level to the subconscious level actually. Okay, and which is at the core of every human being. Please understand, this inner peace is at the core of you. As we discussed last time, some of you were there, I don't know I mentioned it or not, but normally for peace or kind of relaxation, what do? You take some vacation and go to Goa or go to some Kashmir or what it is. You feel comfortable to spend in a very serene environment, which is natural and which is giving you that kind of peace or calmness. You try to do it actually. Right? Does it give the required peace? Yes, it gives. Yes, it gives. But when you come back, what happens? Again, you are counting for marking your calendar of next my vacation going to be actually. Right? So in advance we inform in the office, from October 5 days I will not be available, my leave is in advance informed actually. Right? Why? That means, is it something like I get a piece of peace? Is it? I am getting a piece of peace. Right? For some durations I am peaceful, other durations I am peaceless, which I am considering as normal sometimes actually. Oh, this is a part of the life. I have to be like this only, I have to be struggling, right? So that means I become peaceless actually. So that is not the way we are supposed to gain the peace actually, right? Peace is something has to be constantly there with us. Why? Because that is how I can perform better and better. The more I am peaceful, the more I can able to perform. Which means that should be within me. That should be the core of me. Right? So that is why peace by nature, it is inside every one of us. Whereas without knowing that, we are trying to search for it from outside. And even we are ready to spend for it to get it. Right? So proportionate to what we spend, if you are not getting, that itself again going to cause peaceless. That means we become more stressful. Even after spending, you are not getting peace means it. Right? But whereas without spending even a single penny, you can experience peace because it is within us. Inside us it is there actually. The more we are able to understand this truth, this fact, and to this depth, it has to be understood to the depth that it is there, you are able to invoke the peace within us. If we are not having understanding about this properly, only at the surface level, then you feel yes it is there, but I don't know how to invoke it actually. I don't know how to get it every time actually. When everything is okay, I am okay. When something is not okay, I don't think I am able to create a peace there. How many of you agree with this actually? When everything is okay, I am okay. When everything is not okay, it's not possible for you to become peaceful there actually. How many of you feeling like that actually? Most of you. Most of you are feeling like that. Right? Why? Because you don't believe that you have a peace within you and which can be invoked and we can make yourself free from that disturbance first, and then you can slowly inject that calmness into your environment also through your powerful vibrations. That is where the practice of meditation helps you to now change you in that scenario also how to become stable. Why you are becoming peaceless? Because you are getting that disturbances into you and your thought process are again oscillating or varying actually, which is causing the disturbance for us. So what is very important to take care of it? Correct the situation or correct my mental state actually? Because correcting situation is a Himalayan task sometimes. Because it's maybe having many dependencies actually. It's not I only decide to correct it, will not be corrected actually. There are many factors has to support me to correct it actually. But correcting my mental state is absolutely in my hand only. So if I become stable, whatever upheavals are taking place outside is not of my concern. My concern is how to find a solution for the upheavals actually, not to get disturbed by the upheavals actually. If I know a solution, I will find out. If I don't know a solution, I will seek for somebody to help the solution. But in either way, I am looking for an effort of finding a way for it, not that finding a way to disturb by that actually. Getting disturbed by that is no way going to help me or the situations or the affected victims. But finding a way is sometimes helps, otherwise it doesn't disturb me at least. Right? So this should be the approach what we should take. But to take this approach, you need the control of your mind to understand these facts and then regulate your thoughts accordingly. But to control and regulate, you need some strength. And that strength comes from meditation. So today it's a busy world and most people have forgotten where to find peace. That's why we are searching for peace. Right? But meditation is the one which is making you to remember who you are really. We are a peaceful soul. It makes you to remind you that I am a peaceful soul. Which means what? I have a peace within me. I can invoke it and I can able to make use of it. If I don't invoke it and don't make use of it, I never experience the peace yet. Correct? Is it clear? So, in the beginning, definitely anybody who is in the first time practitioner of meditation, it is expected that you will not be able to concentrate and you may not be able to see that, okay, is it really doing it? Is it really peaceful? Then why I am saying getting disturbed? Like that thoughts will come. But thing is, remember, you are the master of yourself. If you know this fact, you have a choice. Anything comes, whether I to take it inside or not to take it inside. Allow into my mind or not to allow into my mind. You have a complete control available before this enters into your mind actually. But after entering your mind, you try to exercise your choice, you have more forces required to push out that fellow who is disturbing you first actually. Because you allow the disturbing fellow to come inside. Now you want to think about whether to allow him or not. It becomes a more tremendous task for you how to push him out actually. Most often that is what is happening for us. We are allowing the disturbance to get inside, then we are thinking why it is disturbing it. But there is a time available, the moment available for us to just to decide that this is not what I want. You can take at that moment a very clear decision that okay, this is what I want and this is what I don't want. You can stop there itself. Then you don't see the disturbance coming to you at all. Whereas you can still help others to not get disturbed, or you can get it up from the edge. But 90% time, if you are not knowing about these facts, we allow the disturbance to get inside, then we try to perform a solution there. That is where it becomes very difficult. And with a disturbed mind, if you come and sit and practice meditation, it is very, very difficult. Then you will see meditation is not going to solve my disturbance, only meditation can solve my disturbance. Because you need some meditation to deactivate your impulses, deactivate your nervous systems, make you to slow down, make you to sleep. So you have to inject some chemicals into your body. So you need to take some medicines at the time. But before that, if you know that there is a way is there with me, without getting into meditation, still I can overcome all my stress and all my disturbances, meditation is the way. Practicing meditation will help you to prevent from all those kinds of disturbances. So, it is a practice, it has to be tried in a very, very cautious and very, very gentle and very, very smooth way.